what if my spouse is uncooperative or won't agree to the divorce? Well, those are two different things. You can have a spouse that doesn't agree to the divorce, and that's too bad for your spouse because this is a no-fault divorce state, and if you want to get a divorce, you can. So you don't need a reason. You don't need the other person to agree. So if your spouse doesn't agree to the divorce, you still can get one. But that brings us to the second issue, which is, what if my spouse is uncooperative? Well, if your spouse doesn't want the divorce, they probably won't be all that cooperative, right? And all that will do is slow the process down. It will require your attorney to do motions to compel, perhaps. In other words, there's all the financial disclosures that have to be done, which is, a lot of busy work, finding all your documents, all your, 3 years of past, IRS report. It's just a lot of busy work to do. And if the other side doesn't do it in the time frames required, then eventually you'd have to file a motion to compel, and the court will force them to do it. Or if they absolutely won't do it, then you'll go in with your numbers and the court will rule on your numbers without them. So I've seen situations where the other side doesn't participate in the case at all. They don't even come to court. They just literally stick their head in the sand and say, I don't wanna, and they just don't do anything. And let me tell you, in those situations, those people are so sorry afterwards, because essentially what happens is the other party goes into court and gets everything they're asking for. So, not a good idea to hide your head in the sand during a divorce process. But as I said, you will be able to get your divorce whether your spouse participates or does not participate.